Hello everyone, I am Shushmita and your SME on Groovy. This video shall give the audience an idea about how to set up the Groovy on your system. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, which I corporate guide to get the latest learning materials. So, let's start. What is Groovy? Groovy is an object-oriented language which is based on Java platform. To install Groovy, at first we need to install the latest Java version. Let's install it in Windows 11. At first, go to the Google Chrome. In search bar, type Oracle Java. Click Enter. You can see the official website of Oracle. Click on it. On the right hand side, you can see Download Java. Click this. After clicking this, you can see Java 21 and Java 17 has available now. We go with Java 21 for Windows system. We download the exe file, so click on it. It's downloading 163 MB, so let's wait. So the download is completed. Now double click on the exe file. Here you can see the installer JDK21. Double click on it. Here you can see the destination folder where our JDK is installed. If you change, click change. Next. Now the installation started. Let's wait few times. JDK21 successfully installed. Click on close. Let's see where we have installed Java. Go to C drive, program files, Java, JDK21 and bin folder. Copy this whole path. In the search bar, search for environment variables. Click on it and go to environment variables. Under the system variable, go to path and double click on it. Click on new and just paste the path. Click on OK. Set the Java home path. Just click on new. Here in set the variable Java underscore home. Under the variable value, paste the same path but remove the bin. That's it. Now click on OK. OK. Now we have successfully installed the latest Java version. Let's verify. Open run, type cmd to open command prompt. Let's type a command java space -- version and hit enter. You can see the latest version of Java is successfully installed on our machine. We have successfully installed Java. Now we will install Groovy. To install Groovy, we will download it. So go to the browser. In the search bar, type Groovy install. On pressing enter, you can see the official website of Groovy. Click on it. Go to the download. You can go to just below and you can see the Groovy 5.0 is the latest version. For Windows system, click on Windows installer here. And here you can see the MSI file, that is the installer file. Click on it to download. You need to wait for a few seconds. Let's wait. So you can see we have successfully downloaded the installer file for Groovy. Now double click on it to install. You just go more info and run anyway. Now you can see the Groovy setup window is appeared. Click on next. Accept the license agreement. Click on next. Setup type is complete. Now click on install. So we have successfully installed it. Click on finish. Let us verify. Open run and type cmd to open command prompt. Let's type a command like groovy space hyphen hyphen version. Press enter. You can see the Groovy version 5. So we have successfully installed Groovy on our system.